Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can make your Windows 11 faster or how to optimize your Windows 11. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my computer with Windows 11, and first of all you need to go to the Run menu. You can press your start menu or the Windows icon with the R until this run option appear on your window, and then you can type in DFRGUI and then you can click on OK. All right, and here you can choose the desired hard disk. You can choose the hard disk you want to optimize, and then I'm going to select the C drive and then just click on optimize. Okay, and you just need to wait until the optimizing process completed. Okay, and I'm going to optimize this drive as well. Just click on optimize. Alright guys, and that's all the way to make a Windows 11 faster. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!